Welcome everyone, let's kick off our Ultimate Electronics Interview Prep Bootcamp. My name is Arya and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I'm a senior electrical engineer as well as a flight instructor that has been professionally teaching people for years. I'm also a father to a wonderful puppy named Vortex. I trained to be an electrical engineer at Stanford University, getting my master's and then working and leading teams at various tech companies in the Silicon Valley area, like Tesla, Joby, and Skyways. My motivation for making this course is realizing that literally no one prepared me for my electrical engineering interviews. Not my internships, not my university education, nor any of my extracurricular activities. I'd say that 80% of the things I learned at Stanford, for example, I've never used in my career. And most things were very theoretical in nature and not practical either. The only thing that actually taught me how to interview for electrical engineering jobs was to go out there and actually do it myself. It was painful. I failed a lot until I got good at it. It took me about 100 interviews to really nail it down, and I now very reliably get offers when I interview. I also interviewed hundreds of candidates on behalf of companies, which further helped train me. The other part of my motivation for making this course comes from the fact that over the past few years, a software engineering interview prep industry has emerged, but sadly, no similar resource currently exists for electrical engineers. So, I'm here to change that for you. I'm going to get practical, be honest, and show you what you are most likely going to see at EE interviews. In my experience interviewing for jobs, most interviewers ask questions about a common set of subjects. But I'm not just going to give you a bunch of questions and go through answers. I'm also going to provide you with lessons about each topic we go through, and talk about the high points and fundamentals. If you do watch this entire course, even if you're a seasoned engineer, I highly expect you to learn many things given that the field of EE is extremely broad. You may find that you probably haven't delved into many of these topics recently, since most EE jobs are extremely depth-focused and have limited breadth. That brings us to the goal of this course. My goal essentially is to give you the SparkNotes version of the practical aspects of my Stanford education, as well as my experience and knowledge interviewing for or on behalf of companies. My desire is to keep this course as short as possible. There's no sense wasting your time. I want to prepare you, teach you, and send you off to your interviews as efficiently as I can. Therefore, I'm not going to cover every single topic there is to know about electrical engineering, just the most important and common ones. This course is meant to be a foundation. You have to build upon that foundation through practice, personal research, and studying yourself. I will, however, add additional lectures as this course grows. That being said, this course will help you develop a fundamental understanding of the major EE topics so that you can get a job you need with ease, having truly understood the topic. I've created or linked a lot of digital resources that need to go hand in hand with the videos in this course. Of primary importance is my master interview question and answer list, which I have broken down by topic. The first video of each section will have a list of questions and answers on the topic in that specific section, like this one here. These documents contain all the interview questions I've ever been asked. I've also created study cheat sheets like this op-amp one, so you can quickly review fundamental topics without having to rewatch my videos if you're in a pinch. Additionally, there's just a wealth of downloadable PDFs, YouTube videos, and other links to interesting and always free websites that really complement this course well, so please make sure you go and take advantage of them. And finally, anyone who has signed up for this course will get access to my personal Discord server. I personally will be on that server helping answer questions, but ultimately it serves as a great place for you to meet others, make connections, and maybe even find jobs or learn things you didn't know before. Essentially, I've created an electrical engineering interview community, and together we can create a master database of all the types of questions we've ever been asked, and we can help mentor other less experienced engineers and simply make our profession more open, honest, and accessible to others who may find it intimidating. I wish you the best of luck with this course and truly hope that you will enjoy it. Keep watching to learn more about the curriculum.